Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Monday, June the 24th, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle, the Three Stars Sudoku. So two puzzles remain, the binary, Jigsaw Sudoku, and this one you are interested. Yes, it's the Four Stars Sudoku. The Four Stars Sudoku number 8782. 8782. Yeah, 8782. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 24 printed digits. Yes, usually the Four Star Sudoku has 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a Four Stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit, 30 minutes or more. Is this really a Four Stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 4 ones. All right. We have here 3 twos. We have here 1 3. We have here 3 fours. We have here 2 fives. We have here 5 sixes. Well, 3 sevens. 1 8 and 1 9. So the 6 is our majority. Can I start with 6? Yes, 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in the last column, there are only 2 places left. The 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in the middle row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 6. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, there are only 2 places left. The 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in the middle column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. So I need this 1 6 here. 6 6. No, I cannot continue with the 6 now. I need to wait. How about the ones then? 1 1. 1 1. Need a 1 there or here. Well, need a 1 here or there. I need a 1 here, here or there. I cannot continue with the 1. How about a 4 then? 4 4. About the 3. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 3. We have a 2 and a 3 in the last column, so no 2 and 3 in these 3 boxes. 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in the second row, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. So what are the other 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 4 7 9. 479. 479. That means the other 3. Oh, wait. We have a 4 in one of these 3 boxes in the last column. 4 in the column next on that column. Only 2 places left with the 4. Oh, wait. 4 and 3. Yeah. 5 missing numbers in this column. 2 of those missing numbers in this column are the numbers 3 and a 4. We have 3 and a 4 in this big square. So no 3 and a 4 in these 3 boxes. 3 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes there. So what are these 3 missing numbers in this column? Those missing numbers are the 1. 2 is missing. The 3, the 4. The 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 7. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 2 7 9. Cannot fill this yet. 2 7 9. That means the other 3 should be the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. 1 5. The 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 1 5 8. 1 5 8. 1 5 8. Well, cannot fill this yet. 1 5 8. 1. 4, 4, need a 4 there. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. 7. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So in the column between. The middle column, the only place level the 7 should be there. 4, 7, 9. Well, we have a 7 in this row. Third row, 7 in the first row. So no 7 in these two boxes. So one box level the 7 should be there. So the 4 and the 9 are left. We have a 9 in this first row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 4 goes there. Need a 9 there. Ay. 3, need a 3 there. 5, need a 5 there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place level 2 should be there. 2, 2. 1, 1. 1, 1. Well, need a 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in the middle column. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. So the 4 could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 4 in the middle row. No 4 there. 4 should be there. 4, 4. Same for the -7 here. Well. Need a 1 there. Need a 3, 5, 8. 3, 5, 8, 9. Need a 3 here. Need a 3. No, I'm thinking. Yeah. 7, 2. 4. 3 here. 3 there. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place level 2 should be there. So 2 numbers left in the first row for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So we need a 4 here. Need a 5 there. Need a 9 here. Come on. This is taking too long. 3, need a 3 there. 3 there. Well. 7, need a 7 there. Need a 7 here. Still. Having troubles. 2, 2. 2 in this row. 2 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the second column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the middle row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in this, 2, 7, and 9 in this column. Well, we have a 2 in this row, so no 2 there. 2 in the middle row, no 2 there. The only place level 2 should be there. So the other two numbers should be the 7 and the 9. 7 and 9, okay. We have all the 2s, and all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 2. 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place level the 1 should be there. 1, 1. No 1 here. 1, 1. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Well, need a 1 here. In this column, we need a 1. Well, we have 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. So the 1 could be here, here, or there. We see another 1 in this row, no 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. And we have 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places left, the 1 could be here, could be there. Need a 3 here. 1, 1, 1. Not 3. The 6 is 6, 6. Need a 6 there. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9, 7. Need a 7 there. 7 here. 8, 9, 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9. 7, 7, 7 and 9. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. This is taking too long. Need a 4 here. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places left of the 4 could be here, could be there. Let me put some numbers. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places left of the 6 could be here, could be there. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column, so the third column. The only 2 places left of the 6 could be here, could be there. Need a 4. Yeah. In the third column, we need a 4. Here can be 4, we have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. Here can be 4, we have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. So the only 2 places left of the 4 goes together with the 6 as a pair. So the other pair in this column, 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9. Alright. Let me put those numbers here. Alright. So, need a 7 in this big square. The only 2 places left of 7 could be here, could be there. 7 in the third column. 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So the first column. Only 3 places left of 7 should be here, here, or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. So the 7 could be here, could be there. How about a 4 then? 4 in this row. 4 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left of the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the second column. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and I've eliminated the 7. So the 7 goes there. 7 and 9. We have 7 now in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 9 goes there. 8 or 9 here. We have a 9 in this middle row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 8 goes there. Alright, and now. So need a 9 here. Need a 3 here. 3, 3. Need a 3 there. Yeah. 3, 3, 9, and I need a 5 here. Well, 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 8 is missing. So I have an 8 in the third column, 8 in one of those two boxes in the second column. So the first column, only two places left with 8. Could be here, could be there. I need a 5 here. And I need a 3 here. 3, 3. 3, 8, 5. Yeah. One of the missing number in this big square is number 3. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 in these two boxes. So one box left with the 3. Supposed to be here. And I've eliminated here the 8, so the 8 goes there. So one number left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. So we have 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left with 5 should be there. Two numbers left now in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 9 goes there. So we have 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between only two places left for the 3. Could be here, could be there. And the 9 in this row, the 9 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 9. Should be there. One of the missing number in this big square is number 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in these two boxes. So the 9 goes together with the 4 as a pair. 9 and the 4, 9 and the 4. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 4 goes there. 4 and a 6, we have a 4 in this row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 6 goes there. Mark those two boxes earlier with a 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be there. And one box left in this big square for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing here. Alright. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 in these two boxes. We have 8 in the middle row, no 8 in those two boxes. One box left with 8 in this big square. Should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row above. Only place left with 8 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. Cannot fill this yet. Then 1, 3. Here also 1 and a 5 are left. How about these two missing numbers in this row? For numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and 7 and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 5 goes there. 1 and a 5, we have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 1 goes there. Mark those two boxes earlier with the 1. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. And I've eliminated here the 3, so 3 goes there. So 1 box left in this big square for number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. 3 to 5, we have 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column. For numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 1 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 5 in the last row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 9 goes there. So we have a 9 in the last row. 9 in that row. So the row between only two places left. 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the last column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 1 box left now in this column for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. No, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing here. 8 and 7, we have 7 now in the last row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 8 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in the last row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, the 1 goes there. Finished in 19 minutes. Quicker than the previous Sudoku. Well. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes. So well, please win time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other 2 puzzles. The binary and the jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.